Are you having problems with dizziness, allergies, coughing, or headaches? If so, the air ducts might be to blame. Extreme Air Duct Cleaning and Restoration Services is here to make sure that your air ducts are as clean as possible. We are proud to be the most trusted company in Texas for air duct cleaning, among other services. For your protection, our technicians are licensed and insured experts who have been cleaning air ducts for years. So how do we achieve that? When our expert technicians arrive to your home, they will first do an inspection of the air ducts. They will look for build of dust and dirt and will be able to determine where it is coming from. Then they will use high-powered vacuum devices, scrubbers, and other equipment to get your HVAC system in its best possible condition. To schedule your appointment, call Extreme Air Duct Cleaning and Restoration Services at 832-699-0888 or book online at www.extremeairduct.com.